Hello, welcome to today's dojo. Let's chat a little bit here about the water element. Often when we're learning about the elements, we receive maybe a transmission or we tap into one particular bandwidth of the water element or of whatever we might be working with. Now, if you really want to get to know the water element, spend time with the waters. So with a river like this, fast flowing water, it's a big size. Got a bird going through. There's a lot of water flow, so there's a lot of power. And in the beginning, you may need to submerge yourself in the water to really get a feel for the cohesive nature and the magnetic quality of the water. Over time, of course, you can sit on the side of a bank and all of that power and that quality reverberates up through the air. So you have everything to do with the water itself, the life-giving qualities. And then you have, if you look at like the bank here, you have the roots diving into the riverbed. You have the mosses coming up, growing up the trees. So you get to a feel for how this element works, and these lessons come in at you sideways, how the water kind of spirals through everything, including itself. And of course you have the air current that's pulled with the water. There's a intimate link between all the elements. The waters and the airs have a very interesting one, as the airs carry waters, up above in the clouds, etc. And the waters carry an air current as well. Down lower here. Nice. So, the exploration of the elements is infinite, and the whole magical path, we might say, is an exploration of the elements as they spin through themselves at different layers of density and different, we might say, like sizes of magnitude. Right? So essentially the fractal nature of it. There's so much you can learn just hanging out with the water. It's refreshing and cleansing. It invigorates the succulent nature, the lush nature of all the cells. That's how it feels to me, and brightens the tissue, brightens the fullness, the feeling of life force and liquid life force within the body. Lots of lessons as to astral cleansing and equilibrium. There's so much here. So anyway, just wanted to share a little bit here, and welcome to today's dojo. All right, coming up June 7th through 22nd, 2025, I'll be running both a level 1 and 2 spiritual initiation up in Powell River, British Columbia, Canada. So if you're interested in some intense training and some really fun work, nature connection, Qi Gong, spiritual attunements, energy strength training, Qi dancing, all kinds of fun stuff. Alright, if you're interested, hit me up, and I'll be getting information up on the website shortly. Thanks a lot. Bye.